Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is VIN 3075 and it just recently sold, but I'm still going to put the information out there anyway. This is a very special car. This is a 2020 that popped up for sale in Hawaii, and it is a Hawaiian market car. It's paint code 1GO. It's smoky granite mica with LA20 interior, which is black interior. Now, what makes this car special, not only there's only 16 Hawaiian market cars, that's it. This is the only 2020, and it's the only smoky granite mica car that was produced for the Hawaiian market. So it makes it a true one-of-one car. It only has 8,700 miles on it, one owner, no accident car. And if you look at the pictures here, it's phenomenally clean. I mean, it's as you would expect. They're asking $82,000 and it looks like it's sold for about $80,000. Top tier market money for a very clean top tier market car. And so it being a very special car, that even adds to it, but I don't think it adds any real value other than the fact that it is a one-of-one car. Looking at the Carfax, it's a one owner, no accident car. Epic VIN, one owner, no accident car. No surprises there. I didn't pull an auto check on it, but the service history, I can't look at that either because the Hawaiian market cars, the service history on those is a little different, so I don't have anything to go on there, but I would suspect based on everything else that there's no issues. Previous sales, this is the only time the car's been for sale other than when it was originally sold at the dealer, and for sale through a dealer, not a Lexus dealership there. The price of about $80,000, that is spot on for a car like this in this market. If you look at other 2020s, most recently the one that sold on Bring a Trailer right here for $73,500 that had about 20,000 miles on it. This car's half the miles of that, or even less than half the miles. And I think that the price is very appropriate, all things considered. Now, Hawaiian market cars, they're a little bit different because you could get them optioned with a full-size spare tire. You could get them optioned with rear window shades, things like that. And the rest of the United States cars, that's why I call them the US 49, you couldn't get that. This car was not optioned with any of those, so it's basically like a US car. It doesn't have the rear shades, it doesn't have the rear full-size spare, but it is a one-of-one, as you've heard me mention. The Hawaiian cars were called US possession market cars. So that's Hawaii, Puerto Rico, Guam, Marshall Islands, etc. And there's 16 cars in Hawaii. There are 23 cars in Puerto Rico, and there were 2 for Guam, none in the Marshall Islands. One of the 2 Guam cars is in the United States, and several of the Puerto Rican cars are in the United States. And I think only 1 or 2 of the other Hawaiian cars are in the United States. So their special cars are a little bit different, and that's about all I have as far as info on those. But anyway, so it was just a short video today. I just wanted to share that with you. It is a special car. If you ever see this car come up for sale in the future, know that at this time here in August of 2025, it was pristine as can be. Somebody paid top market dollar for it. And you know, it's going to do nothing but help the value out in the future using that as a price reference for some of the other cars. So good on them. Good to see the values are staying strong on these cars, and this car is definitely no exception. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.